Good evening. So our company has the job fair and interview who lives in Japan and searching a job. And Monday, Wednesday, Friday job fair will be start 11 a.m. and after that 2 p.m. is the interview time. Then Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, Sunday job fair will be start 1 p.m. Then 4 p.m. is the job interview. So we have the more than 20 companies each day. That means you can choose one company from our job and can give an interview. And this blue ticket is there. We have the restaurant on the first floor. That means you can take a lunch and can prepare your interview. So today I want to introduce one of job offer. This job is still located in Chiba and factory job. And time is the 8 a.m. till 5 p.m. Then salary will be start 2,100 yen and it has given bonus and daily conversation Japanese level is okay. So if you want to give interview work for this company, please visit our company on Monday at 11 a.m. So do you need any information about job or visa? So please contact this phone number. Thank you so much.